Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Lance from NerfThis.TV. Today we're going to be having a look at Astropad Studio on Windows. They've just brought out the beta of it recently and we thought I'd have a look at it and see if it's any good. So the first thing you need to do obviously is go to the site and register for the beta, as it is a beta. You can go and do that. I'll post a link down below so that you can find out exactly where to go. And you basically just register your email, join the beta, and it'll give you download links. One for a piece of software that has to go into your actual Windows machine, like I'll show you installed now. And the other you'll see on your iPad here. You'll have to go and download this, but you'll get links in the email anyway. Trusted app, blah blah blah. User system resources, launch when ready. Okay, I'll go and install that. And obviously you need to install the app on iOS, which I've already done here. Okay, let's see what you're doing here. Setup. 145 FPS, okay. For the purposes of this test, I'm going to use Wi-Fi because I'm obviously, plugged into my iPad so that I can record the screen properly at a decent resolution. So let's connect that. Open the app. Our camera access, yes we do. There we go. Okay, now on here, let's see. Workspace, brushes, keyboard, pencil stroke. Okay, you can change the color from everything. And you can also use certain gestures on your Windows PC. That's quite nice. And it tells you the latency of your connection. Okay. We close that. Okay, so obviously at the moment it's just working as a mouse. I'm not noticing any latency, I must be honest. I think what we should do is, okay, let's start a new, nothing seems to be happening off screen here. Let's do a A0 print of something. Okay, so let's go and select a brush. Okay, it seems to be fairly quick. You can still see a bit of lag happening there, especially on the long strokes. I wonder if you see our gestures are working there. That's quite nice, although it's leaving a little dot over there, as you can see. I do notice a little bit of jitter, but I can put the stabilizer on and then you'll see our lines are nice and smooth. Obviously there's a little bit more of a delay when you do something like that. Okay, so now we've got Photoshop loaded up and opened an A3. I think let's go and find ourselves just a standard brush. Use pressure sensitivity, and we're probably going to need a little bit of smoothing, which is obviously going to delay our stroke a bit. Okay, so let's see, we'll try a light stroke and gradually press a bit better. Well, it does seem to be quite reactive. Let's see if we can draw some nice. Doesn't seem to be too much jitter with just my hand. but then I do have a bit of stroke smoothing on, so. Okay, so as far as a beta goes, I think this is looking pretty good and is a good solution for, you know, somebody that's using Windows and an iPad and wants to use it as a drawing tablet. I know I did a video quite a while ago where I tested Astropad with the Mac. They have been doing this a while, so I do believe that they're going to be bundling this into a sort of a subscription model. So that's something to look at. You know, nobody really likes subscription models anymore. Adobe has made sure of that. But I suppose we'll have to see what they bundle in with it. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the beta software for Astropad Studio for Windows. Please, again, bear in mind this is a beta. So I had a few issues with the beta where the connection would just drop, but that could be the software just being in beta, or it could be the really crummy USB-C cable. Maybe my USB-C cable is not of a high enough quality going to the PC. So you got to think about all of these things when testing a beta, but it is free at the moment. So if you want to go and have a look and test it out and see what the pressure sensitivity is like, and yeah, have some fun. If you did like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. If you really feel like it, you could buy me a cup of coffee on the link below, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye.